Hey there guys, how's it going? It's me, Pave. Welcome to Grind to Freedom. Today, as the title suggests and says, we're grinding towards our freedom, and that means if you're talented, get your ass on YouTube. Get your ass on YouTube. You know, like you have skills, talents that sometimes you might be undermining. You know, you might be like, oh, I'm a landscaper. Who cares about landscaping? Or I'm a good, painter, of walls, of of houses, of apartments. Or I'm really good at like cleaning sofas, Well, I'm really amazing at threading eyebrows, like you might have some skills that you might think like, oh, they're ordinary, they're basic, there's so many people that have the same skill, etc., but there's literally an audience out there for you. For example, right now, one skill that I have that I'm tremendous at, and if you watch any significant amount of my videos, you'll know that I have this incredible skill, and that is driving. Because while I'm driving, I'm making videos. I'm of course paying attention to the road and everything. When I'm in a stop sign or I'm in a red light, I go ahead and talk to you guys directly like I'm doing right now. But all this is possible because I have incredible driving skills. Now connect who might be an audience that might need to improve their driving skills. Drunk drivers, people getting their permit, their license, So now I can create a whole YouTube channel if I wanted to. I'm not going to because I don't have the time. But like, I can create a whole YouTube channel just essentially showcasing my own incredible driving skills, but to help people that might be, that might got DUIs or something and stuff, even though I haven't gone through that myself. But like, that's an example. Or people that are trying to study to get their permit or their driver's license, So this is something that I just connected based on one skill that I have. And because you're a human being just like me, that means you're multi-talented. You're multifaceted. So you have more avenues that you can pick and choose of what are the talents that you want to showcase. Like, I'm really good at memorization. So like people that need to memorize, such as actors, such as lawyers, politicians, people that are taking a test, I can help them with those skills, because I have photographic memory, and I also have done different exercises that help with that. I can just have a whole YouTube channel helping people how to memorize. I can create a whole business, digital product that's teaching people how to do all that stuff. So what I'm saying is, if you have a talent, which you do, you probably have multiples and multiples of talents, showcase them, put them out there. People are not gonna know what talent you have if you don't show them. Like, I literally, when I see that people get the most interested in something is when you have the results. That's it. And the only way that people even see the results is if you show them the results. But they cannot guess by just looking at you. They cannot see. For example, right now I have quite some people gravitating to the YouTube channel because I'm gaining subscribers, because I'm being consistent, because I'm giving actionable and practical advice. That's the reason people are subscribing to my channel, and because that momentum is growing. So same thing with you. If you showcase your talent, slowly but surely, you start to find your audience. You start to find your niches. You start to see what value you can add to the marketplace that people will be so happy to give you some money because they want to learn that skill set. They want to have a shortcut. They want to achieve certain things that you have achieved. Or maybe, even maybe, they might want to hire you. They might want to buy an offer directly from you. They might want to contract your services. But the only way people are going to know is if, and only if, you literally showcase your talent. So if you're talented, put it out on YouTube. If you're a great cook, put it out on YouTube. If you have a restaurant, put it out on YouTube. If you have a plumbing business, put it out on YouTube. Literally, there's no reason for you to not be documenting. I'm not saying even create content. I'm just saying document what you already do and put it out there. Because your talent can help so many people out there, and it can astronomically help your business, help your communication skills, and help. So like, all I see are positives. So if you're not seeing this, I don't know why you're not getting started. And by the way, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, because it helps us get to our goal to over 1,000 subscribers so we can monetize this channel and get that side hustle going. But really, if you're talented, man, get your ass on YouTube. Get your ass. If you resonate with that message, like the video, comment below. Comment below. What talent do you have? What is that talent that you developed or you were born with, and you were somehow, for some reason, afraid to showcase it? Put it in the comments below. I would really like to know and join the chat with you. And pretty much that's it, you know, because I can keep ranting and telling you more things, but I just really want you to take action. I just really want you, like, if you need to watch this video twice, watch it twice. But like, I really, really want that message to get drilled in your head, that like, you're talented. Just because you're literally watching me right here, you're talented. And even if you think you're not, like, you're understanding what I'm speaking. I'm speaking English. English is not my original language. My original language is actually Spanish, like my first language. And I had to learn English. If I had someone like you teaching me English, it would have helped me a lot. You know what I'm saying? So like, there's so many things that you're not even aware. You think they're common. You think because you're comparing yourself to others that you don't have the skills or the talents for it. And you do. All you need is to showcase them. All you need is to put them out there. All you need is to really start that YouTube channel. Do it, please. That's it for today. Catch you on the next one. Take care.